Hi students, in this session we are going to continue the topic basic concepts of coordinate geometry. So let's discuss concept of graph of a linear equation. Students, linear equations in algebra are represented by line in coordinate geometry and vice versa. This is how coordinate geometry provides systematic link between geometry and algebra. Okay, so let's move on to the concept. See here we have to draw the graphs of the equations, and the first given equation is x is equal to 2. We know that equation x is equal to 2 represents line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units on the right of it. Students, you can find link for this concept in the description below. Now for this line, let's consider the coordinate axis in the coordinate plane. See, this is x-axis, y-axis, and their intersection is origin. See, at a distance of 2 units to the right of y-axis, I have drawn a line parallel to y-axis, and this is nothing but the line x is equal to 2. You write equation of line here like this. Okay, so this line is the graph of linear equation x is equal to 2. Students, here I am using a pen for the clarity of video. While drawing these graphs, you use pencil. Then the next given equation is C, y is equal to minus 3. We know that equation y is equal to minus 3 represents line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 units below it. Okay. So for this again consider the same graph paper I am using here. See, this line is y is equal to minus 3 line is below x-axis, parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 units. So this line is like this. See, at a distance of 3 units, 1, 2 and 3 units. Okay. So let's draw this line and write equation y is equal to minus 3 here. Okay, so this line is the graph of given linear equation y is equal to minus 3. Students, here we have taken reference of lines parallel to coordinate axis for these graphs. Here you also note that these lines are set of points which satisfy their equation. Okay, you can also find four ordered pairs on these lines, and by plotting those points on graph, you draw line passing through them. Like see, x coordinate of all the points on this line is 2. Okay, so for all the ordered pairs, x coordinate is 2. So you can easily find four ordered pairs having x coordinate 2, and you may take any value here. So if we take 2 1, 2 2, 2 4, 2 minus 4, plot these points on the graph and draw line passing through these points to get this line x is equal to 2. You may use this technique also. Okay. So students, here we find that the graph of the linear equation is the set of points in the coordinate plane that all are solutions to the equation. You note this point properly. Okay, that means what? See, that is every point which lies on the line satisfies the equation of line. Then let's consider next linear equation, 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. To draw a graph of the given equation, let's write four ordered pairs. For this, we are going to consider various values of x, and corresponding to those values, let's find values of y to get ordered pairs. And for that, I am going to make table like this. Okay. So let's consider the given equation 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, see, y is equal to 2x plus 1. Call it as equation number 1. To obtain ordered pairs, put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. See, therefore, y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1. So this is 0 plus 1, and therefore we have y is equal to 1. So the first ordered pair is C. For x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 1, and the required ordered pair is 0, 1. Then let's put value x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So we get y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. So this is 2 plus 1, and therefore y is equal to 3. So the next ordered pair is, for x is equal to 1, we have y is equal to 3, and the required ordered pair is 1, 3. Then next put x is equal to 2 in equation 1 to get y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. So this is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we have y is equal to 5. So the next ordered pair is, for x is equal to 2, we have 5, and the required ordered pair is 2, 5. Then to get one more ordered pair, put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 1 to get y is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1, and therefore y is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and therefore for x is equal to minus 1, we have y is equal to minus 1, and the next ordered pair is minus 1 comma minus 1. Students, then let's plot all these points on graph paper. To save time, I have already plotted all these 4 points on the graph paper. See, this is coordinate plane, coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, their intersection is origin. Okay, and you write scale at the right top corner of graph paper. See how to write it. Write down word scale. On both axes, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so see, for the plotting of points in the coordinate plane, you can find link in the description below. So see here, these 4 points I have plotted. Let's draw line passing through these 4 points, which is the required graph. See, this is line, and you write equation of line. Here the line is 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this line is the graph of linear equation 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Students, see, we know that 2 points determine a line, but here we have considered 4 points. It is just to get accuracy. Okay. See here, we have considered various values of x to get the corresponding values of y. Okay. In some cases, it is convenient to take values of y to obtain values of x also. For example, see if we have equation like this, x minus y is equal to 5. So you write this equation as x is equal to 5 plus y. So for y is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 5. For y is equal to 1, you get x is equal to 6. For y is equal to 2, we have x is equal to 7. For y is equal to minus 1, we have x is equal to 4. Okay. So according to equation, you decide which one is convenient. Okay. Also, while finding ordered pairs, if for any value of x, value of y comes out to be fraction, avoid that pair because it is inconvenient to plot fractions on graph. For example, see if equation is like this, 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. So here if we put x is equal to 0, then we have 3y is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this fractional value is inconvenient to plot. So avoid such ordered pairs while finding ordered pairs for the graph of linear equation. So students, you practice these for several examples, then only you can find ordered pairs easily. So students, this is all about the graph of linear equation. Okay. Students, finally, like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos. Thank you for watching.